to my first unboxing video, and it is about skincare. So I'm excited. Although I know what's inside, I am really excited because I've been waiting for it for 4 days. Like, I think 4 days or 5 days. Oh, double wrap. Look at that. Can you see that? Double wrap. It's double wrap. So, thank you, Ninja Van. Okay, I'm opening it up. There. First, see, look how well the packet is. Let's see the seller. So, let's congratulate the seller for the nice packaging. See how it came? By Purple Cart. So, let's see. Many reviews says that the my Purple Cart in Shopee gives freebie. So, I don't know what freebie would I get. Or is there any? So, later ko na rin naman siya na-found out na may freebie. So, okay. We'll see what's inside. So, sorry, maingay yung background kasi may higa and katabi kami ng basketball court. So, I live beside. Oh, here's what it looks like. So, I will show you. See, it's fully bubble wrap. So, kitang-kita nyo na kung ano yung nabili ko. First Taglish upload ko din to, video. First Taglish video. Usually I speak in straight English. But I'm just so excited and pumped to show you this one. And hindi na nga ako nakapag-ayos actually. I just came home from work. And ayan, I'm opening it up. I literally am opening it up. So the first one I've got is the Nature Republic 92%. I know everyone knows this one because it is a hype about a year ago, I think. But still now, people are using it. So I'm going to try and put it on the ref, like they say. Then, another one, para matanggal ang ating mga pimples. Ito. Ayan. Salicylic Daily Acid Cleanser. Try ko yun kasi super love ko yung Good Morning Gel. Yung low pH ng Cosrx. Low pH Good Morning Gel. Kasi, sobrang ganda talaga ng cleanser na yun. As in, super calm. So, I'm gonna try this one. The Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. Kung magiging gusto ko din siya. As well as this one, to try ko siya for the first time, Nature Republic. Siyempre, ito na yung pinili ko sa dami ng aloe vera gel in the market. Ito na yung pinili ko kasi ito yung parang pinaka-known talaga. So, why not? Then lastly, ito yung bago ng Cosrx na this is the new one from Cosrx na konti pa lang yung bumibili at konti pa lang din ang nakakaalam. Ito siya. AC Collection. This is one of the collection. I think 7 yata yung nasa collection. Meron doong cleanser. AC Collection Calming Mild Cleanser. I think yung name niya. Then, there is also itong toner na to. And then, yung intensive version niya. There's also a serum. And there is also a spot treatment as well as patch. So, yan. Yun yung bago AC Collection. For acne talaga siya. So, ayun. Ang masasabi ko sa kanya, ang itsura niya ay ganito, ibang-iba yung packaging niya compared sa normal na Cosrx. Pero yun, simple pa din naman siya. So, ayan. Meron siyang parang silver cap, though double siya ng plastic. Pero I think seal lang yun. And, ang sabi dito is, wait, I'm looking for the English one. Meron siyang Camellia Sense. It's kind of different. There's tea tree, of course, Melaleuca. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo mabasa, yan. Yan, guys. Okay. So, Guys, ang sad. Wala siyang freebie, I think. Wait. Oh, there is freebie. Sorry. Oh my gosh, may freebie nga siya. Ito yung thank you for... It says here, thank you for your recent purchase with us. Please receive this gift as a small way of showing gratitude. We hope you enjoy your order. Visit us again soon, and if you have time, just give us 5. Okay. So, they gave me a sponge. Look at that. Makeup sponge. Yeah. Two-way sponge. Fashion two-way sponge. And, dalawa sila, guys. Dalawa sila. Dalawa sila, OMG. Dalawa sila, guys. Dalawang sponge. Look at that. 2. So, totoo nga, guys. Totoong may freebie ang my purple cart. Ang freebie nila sa akin ay dalawang sponge. Guys, see this. Ito yung freebie nila sa akin. Dalawang sponge and 1 spatula. So, grabe. Ito magagamit natin sa Nature Republic. Because, bumili pa naman ako ng Astro Brush. Pero, okay na din. Happy ako. Kasi, I have 2 sponges. And, one of this as freebie, guys. As freebie. Thank you very much sa purple cart. My purple cart from Shopee. Thank you very much for this well-packaged items. So, recommend ko silang shop. Kasi, preferred naman sila sa Shopee. And, grabe. Ita-try ko talaga silang lahat. As in, today. So, yun. Watch out for part 2. Watch out for part 2. Thank you. Thank you, guys.